Assalamu alaikum class 7. How are you all? I wish you all a very good health. All right class. First I want to tell you that that kindly try use hand sanitizers whenever you leave the house or whenever you come back, and you know and always wear a mask. Always wear a mask if you have to go out, but try to stay indoors. Don't go out unless it is absolutely necessary, and please don't get out of the house without the permission of your elders. All right class, you know that we are doing our tenses, grammar, and we are on past perfect. This is our second lecture, second part of the lecture, past perfect tense, and 42nd lecture. All right, class, let's revise. Let's do a quick recap of what we have learned. We did positive sentences, right? And today we are going to do negative sentences. Positive sentences of past perfect tense. So, what is the structure? It is very easy. Subject he, she, it, I, you, we, they, Sarah, Ali, right? That these are subject. Subject is the person who is doing an action, right? And then we are going to use had. It's very easy. Past perfect tense are very easy. You just have to remember subject, had, third form of verb. That is all you have to remember. Subject, had, third form of verb. What is third form of verb? And now, what is the first form? Go. Go. Second form went. Third form gone. Go, went, gone. We will use the third form gone. Come. Came, come. Third form come. So when we are talking about past perfect tense, we are using third form of verb. See, saw, seen. So which is third form of verb? Seen, right? Gone, come, seen. We always use third form of verb with past perfect. Alright class, please remember the structure, the formation. Subject, had, third form of verb. Now I'm going to recap these sentences with you again. I went there after I had completed the task. I, subject, had, and third form of verb, completed. Now what is the past perfect here? Had completed. She had come late to the school. Subject had. What is third form of come is also come. Come, came, come. So what is the past perfect? Had come. Until he went to England, he had never spoken English. He is subject had. Third form of speak is spoken. So had spoken, right? Number 4. If he had studied hard last year, he would have passed all his exams. He had studied. Subject had, third form of verb. So past perfect is had studied. She had done her homework, so she was happy. Had done is past perfect, subject she, right? Subject, it can be any subject. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, Sarah, Ali, Ahmad and Ehsan, Mishael and Irish, or the children, the mother, the painter, the plumber, the climber, right? The doctor, the vet. It can be any subject. All you have to do is add had and then third form of verb. And I hope you remember, class, that past perfect is that action which happens before another action in the simple past tense, right? All right. Let's look at some more examples. After Fred had spent his holiday in Italy, he wanted to learn Italian. What happened first? That Fred spent his holiday in Italy. He had spent his holiday and then he wanted to learn. So, had spent his holiday in Italy happened first, and what happened later? Wanted to learn Italian, right? Italian is the language spoken in Italy. So the past perfect is had spent and wanted is simple past tense, right? The reporter hadn't told the cameraman to get ready when the president walked into the room. So what happened first? Past perfect happens before simple past tense. Just remember this. Hadn't told. And then what happened afterwards? President walked in, right? Hadn't told. past perfect, and then walked is simple past tense. Hadn't is the short of had not. When you are, contracting not with any word, what do? You just cut the O and replace it with an apostrophe. All right. Bob had purchased the first generation iPad 2 weeks before the second generation was introduced. So, what happened first? He had purchased, and what happened? Second was introduced, right? So, past perfect is had purchased, simple past was introduced. Now, look for the verbs of past perfect tense used in each sentence. An example is given here. The waiter brought a drink that I had not ordered. Which is the past perfect? Had not ordered. Now, you know that had ordered is simple past perfect in the positive. If we want to make it negative, which is our focus of our lecture today, we are going to focus on the negative past perfect tense, right? Negative past perfect sentences, we just add not after the auxiliary verb had, right? We just add not after had. It's so simple that when you are changing it into negative, all you have to do is add not after had. All right? So, had not ordered. Look for the verb past perfect in each sentence. They had ridden their bikes before they met their friends. Which is the past perfect here? Please find out. Look at the second example. I was very tired because I had studied too much. What is the past perfect here? In the first sentence, the past perfect is had ridden, right? Ridden is the third form of ride. Ride, rode, ridden, right? Ride, rode, ridden. So we always use third form of verb with past perfect. So had ridden. Second statement, had studied, right? Third form of verb, study. Study, studied, studied, right? If there is a Y, we just cut the Y and we write IED. Now, an example is given here. Look for the past perfect verb. After Eric had made breakfast, he phoned his friend. The past perfect is had phoned. Had phoned, right? Another example. Before he sang a song, he had played the guitar. So past perfect is had played, right? Susan turned on the radio after she had washed the dishes. Past perfect is had washed. Third form of verb of wash is washed. I could not remember the poem we learned the week before. So you are going to change learn into past perfect. How do you do that? You add had and third form of verb. So the main verb is learn. What is the main verb? Learn. And what do we add before the main verb? We add had and we change the main verb into its third form. What is the third form of the main verb learn? Learn, learnt, learnt. So, I could not remember the poem we had learned the week before. Learn, learned, learnt, or learn, learned, learnt. You can use it both ways. You can say learn, learned, learnt, or learn, learnt, learnt, right? So, all you have to do is add had and then third form of verb. Just change the verb and write its third form. Had learned. So, I could not remember the poem we had learned the week before. Now, an example was given earlier. Same way, you are going to add past perfect tense. The storm destroyed the sand castle that we built. What is the third form of build? Built, build, built, built. What do we add before the third form? Subject and then had. What do we add before the third form? Had. Just remember that we add had before the main verb, and we change the main verb into its third form, right? The storm destroyed the sand castle that we had built. That we had built. Add had and third form of verb. Very simple. He not be to Cape Town before 1997. You know that not be. So what is the third form of be? Been. Third form of be is been. And it is not, it's going to be negative. If it is negative, all you do is add not before had. So you know that we add not before had. So what will come before not? Had, right? Sorry, you add not after had. All you need to remember is that not comes before had, and when we are talking about negative, all you have to do is add not after had. So what comes before not? Had. What comes before not? Had. And third form of be is been. So you know that it is not been, right? But we are talking about past perfect tense. So what comes before the verb been? Had, right? Had been. But if it is negative, if there is a not, it is a negative sentence. Not comes after had. Not comes after had. So what is it going to be? He had not been to Cape Town before 1997. Just remember, class, that you are going to add not after had, right? You will add not after had in negative. Had not been. My brother ate all of the cake that our mother make. So it is positive sentence. What is the third form of make? Make, made, made. And what comes before the verb in past perfect? Had. My brother ate all of the cake that our mother had made. Right? Had made. This is another example of negative sentence. I told you in negative sentence, past perfect, not comes after had. Not comes after had. What is the third form of ride? Ride, rode, ridden. Ride, rode, ridden. So, and what comes after the subject? Or you can say what comes before the verb had. Had and third form of verb. But if it is negative, you are going to add not after had, right? We are going to add not after had. She had not. Third form of verb of ride is ridden. She had not ridden a horse before that day. The children collected the chestnuts that fall from the tree. Change it into past perfect. You know that before the verb in past perfect we had. So the children collected the chestnuts that had. What is third form of fall? Fall, fell, fallen. Third form is fallen. The children collected the chestnuts that had fallen from the tree. The lights went off because we not pay the electricity bill. Again a negative. I told you, class, negative, what do? You add not after had. We add not after had. So, and then third form of verb. The lights went off because we had not paid the electricity bill, right? Paid the electricity bill. She told me she study a lot before the exam. So before in past perfect, it is had and third form of verb. Had and third form of verb in positive sentence. She told me she had studied a lot before the exam. So we will cut the Y and add IED. Studied. Alright, so as I told you earlier, she told me she had studied a lot before the exam. You will cut the Y and you will add IED. Studied. Okay? Alright. Um, Now look over here. Look at this sentence. We were late for the plane because we forget our passports. How will you add past perfect tense? When we talk about past perfect, there is always had and third form of verb. Had and third form of verb. So, we had forgotten. Third form of forget is forgotten. We had forgotten our passports. Right? Now, they dash not eat, so we went to a restaurant. They not eat. This is a negative sentence. There is a not. It's a negative sentence. When we talk about negative past perfect sentence, we add not. When do we add not? I just told you. We add not after had. We add not after had. So had not. Right? Had not. And what is third form of eat? Eat, ate, eaten. Third form is eaten, right? They had not eaten, so we went to a restaurant. If you listened to me, you would have got the job. So, past perfect is had and third form of verb. If you had listened to me, you would have got the job. Let's check the answers, right? So, build will become had built. Had built. Not be, see, not is negative and we always write not after had. Had not been. Third form of be is been. Had not been. Make. Had made. Had made. Ride. Not right. Negative sentence. We always, in negative sentence, the rule is had not. Rule is had not, third form of verb. Had not, third form of verb. Had not ridden. Third form of ride is ridden. Ride, rode, ridden. Had not ridden. Fall. Third form of fall is fallen. Fall, fell, fallen. Had fallen. Right? Had fallen. Not pay. Again negative. Rule of negative is had not. Rule of negative past perfect is no matter what the noun is, no matter which pronoun or noun, any subject, the rule of past perfect negative is had and third form. But if we talk about past perfect rule is had and third form. If we talk about past perfect negative, rule is had not, third form of verb. Had not, third form of verb. So the lights went off because we had not paid the electricity bill. Study. If you want to change it into negative, it's going to be had not studied. Okay, change it into negative. Had not studied. Now, past perfect positive, forget. Third form of forget is forgotten. Forget, forgot, forgotten. So it's forgotten, had forgotten. Again, it's negative, not eat. Rule is had not, third form of verb. Had not, third form of verb. Had not eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Third form is eaten. Had not eaten. Listen. Third form is had listened. Had listened. Right? Alright, class. So, what have we learned about the negative form? Subject plus had. Had is auxiliary verb, right? Subject had not plus third form of verb. Third form of verb is also called past participle. It is also called past participle. Subject had plus not had not, right? Subject had not plus third form of verb, which is also called past participle. Now let's look at these sentences. And here the positive is changed into negative. I had started will become I had not started. What is the short form of had not? Hadn't. I told you earlier, if you are joining had with not, you are contracting. What will happen if you contract not with a verb with any auxiliary? Any auxiliary. What do? You take the not, cut O, and in the place of O, you add apostrophe, right? Hadn't. Look at the word in the bracket. Hadn't. With the not, you will cut the O and in the place of O add the apostrophe. Can you see it in the brackets? Hadn't. I had started. I hadn't started. You had started. You had not started. Hadn't. He had started. He had not started. Hadn't. Right? She had started. She hadn't started. It had started. It had not started. We had started. We had not started. You is used twice. One is for singular, second is for plural, right? You had started, you had not started. They had started, they had not started. So, no matter whatever noun or pronoun, you will only use had, and in negative, you will use had not, hadn't, right? And third form of verb. Alright, class. These are the examples of negative sentences. Subject plus had not, third form of verb. I had not completed the task. She had not come late to the school. They had not been married when I was born. Until he went to England, he had not spoken English. You had not studied hard. She had not done her homework, so she was sad. He had not lived in Florida. They had not gone out when you called. The woman had not cried till the morning. I had not returned to university. He had not left when I went to the club. By the time we came, she had not finished the project. Now, these are the examples. Now, looking at the examples, you know how you can change a sentence into negative sentence, right? Negative past perfect. The rule is simple. The rule of positive is had, third form of verb. Rule of negative is had not, third form of verb, right? This is your homework for today, class. You are going to do it on your notebooks. Please don't forget to add the date, grammar, tenses, past perfect tense, the question. These are 10 statements and you are going to change them into negative tense. Past perfect, negative tense. Okay. Change the following past perfect tense sentences into past perfect negative sentences. I had seen such a beautiful sunset before I went to the island. What simple, class! It is so simple. Just add not after had. Add not. I had not seen such a beautiful sunset before I went to the island. Everything will be written as it is. Just add not after had. Simple as that. It's very simple. All you have to do is add not after had and you get a negative past perfect tense, right? I had not seen such a beautiful sunset before I went to the island. Number 2, we had reserved a room in advance at the hotel. It's a it's actually hotel, pronounced hotel. We had reserved a room in advance at the hotel. She had been to the symphony before last night. He had been tutored all week. I had lost my purse. I had been to Mexico before. He had stayed after school for help. She had lived in California before moving to Texas. The cat had chased the bird before it flew out of the yard. She had visited several doctors. Very simple, you have to change it into perfect negative. Past perfect negative, all you have to do is add not after had, alright? Make it had not in all those sentences, and you will get your past perfect negative sentence. Alright, class, this was your homework for today. Wish you all the very best. Allah Hafiz.